What's up, everybody? X62XXO, and today we will be playing this new game called Warriors Story Cubes, and I'll be playing it with Laserbird. So how you play this game is that there's dices inside, and each dice has a picture on all 9 sides, and there's gonna be 9 dices. Yeah, 9 dice. And how you play is that you roll a dice and you gotta tell a story about it on which picture side it is. But I am gonna do a multiple story, which means I roll one dice and there's gonna be a picture. I tell something about that. Then after I tell that, and I roll another dice. But I'm gonna do it with Laserbird here. Yeah. So here are the dices. There's there's a lot of them, and you can see how on each one there is there's a picture. So you ready, Laserbird? Oh wait, sorry, Laserbird. Oh, sorry. Like I said, each of these have a picture on them. So you ready, Laserbird? You ready? Okay. So what Laserbird is going to do, he's going to pass me a dice and I am going to do the thing. So, let's get started. So once upon a time, Laserbird, once upon a time, there was a bird who had a magnifying glass. He loved searching, he loved using it for looking for bugs. He also had a Laserbird. Oh wait, throw the dice. He also had a lock. The lock helped him because he had a chest, and this lock helped him, so he locked the chest because he had some goodies in there, like worms and all that kind of food that birds can eat. But there were some intruders, and they were bees. I don't know why bees really like worms, but they really wanted to get in that chest. Maybe they were just curious what was inside. But also, there was another predator. It was lightning. Since the treasure chest is inside the bird's nest, if lightning struck the nest, which is inside the tree, it'll go on fire, which will destroy the awesome treasure chest. But if that happens, the bird can just go to the beach or an ocean, make another nest, and catch some fish. Fish is his next favorite thing. He doesn't like big fish, but he loves little fish. One time, while he was on the beach, he found a little sand pyramid. It was solid. He wondered what it was, so he made a little hole that was about his size because he was like a little bird. He went inside the pyramid and it was hollow. And he thought, maybe I could build a nest. So the little bird felt super happy because he found a new home, and it was on a beach where fish were. But the thing is that since it was made out of sand, if water hit the pyramid or his home, then it would break, which would make him very sad. But at least right now, there's no lightning or anything. They're just predators. So he still has a house. And then he can sleep inside it and have a good night's sleep. The end. Thanks, Laserbird. So I'm going to see which blocks I use, and let me just find it. There was this lightning, this pyramid, magnifying glass. Hold on. Lock, house, sad face, and happy face. So the first one that Laserbird gave me was a magnifying glass. The second one he gave me was a lock. And then And then bees. And then lightning. And then fish. Yep. And then a pyramid. Happy face. Sad face. And then a house. Yeah. So we're going to do it again. Yeah. This is actually pretty fun. There's actually 9 dices in all. So hold on. Let me mix these up and I'll be back with you in a second. Okay, so I mixed up the dices and we're ready to go. You ready, Laserbird? Wait, what was that? Say it louder. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. Okay then. So let's get started. So once upon a time... Oh wait, hold on. Sorry. Okay, let me restart that. He threw it in my hand and then I dropped it. Okay, sorry. Okay, Laserbird. So once upon a time, there was someone who was sleeping. And he also loved to go on the Ferris wheel. I'm going to call this a Ferris wheel. The only thing that was wrong about the Ferris wheel is that he was scared because it goes extremely high. And he would be going at nighttime, which would be very dark. So he brought a flashlight. He also brought some dice to play with because the Ferris wheel can take a long time with getting people on and getting off. So he could play a little game of dice on the chair where he's sitting in. He also brought magnets too, so you can play with them also because gotta be entertained. But he was also worried that he might be a little bit too heavy on the ride and that it might break. But he knows that, but since he can see, he can catch himself because he has eyes. He can see. But also, to get away his fear, he also brought a book. A nice, entertaining book to help him on the Ferris wheel. The end. So that one actually went pretty fast and, yeah. Nice job, Laserbird. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the ones that, Laserbird, gave me. So, is this it? Okay, which one is it, Laserbird? Is that it? Okay. Is this it? Is this it? Oh, it's this, right? Okay. So the ones, wait. Oh yeah. So the ones Laserbird gave me first was, hold on. First was this, the sleeping person. And next it was the Ferris wheel. This is what I call a Ferris wheel. Because I don't really know what this is. Tell me down in the comments if you know what that is. And then a sad or a scared face. And a flashlight. Dice. Magnet. An eye. Or maybe eye. Dice, magnet. I don't know. Just these three. Then this. A weight measure or something. And then a book. So yeah, we're going to do one more round of this. You're doing good. So let me just mix these up and I'll meet you back. Okay then. So I got the dice mixed up and we're going to do it one last time. So you ready, Laserbird? Don't tell me you're asleep again. Okay. Hold on. Laserbird. Laserbird. Okay, I think he's awake now. You ready, Laserbird? You ready? Hold on. Laserbird, wake up. Wake up. Okay, he's awake. Okay, Laserbird, get ready. Laserbird? Oh, come on. Laserbird, get ready. Laserbird! Sorry. Laserbird, get ready. Okay, finally, you're up. Gosh. Okay, sorry. Took a long time. Stop sleeping. Gosh. Okay. So once upon a time, there was this person who loved giving high fives. He also had a driver's license. But he's always wondered, what if he could give high fives while driving? To, like, giving high fives through the window of his car and another car. So like that. And then go back in the window. He also thought if he gives them a high five through the window, he could also give them an apple for a present. He thought that it'd be good, and when he was driving to go somewhere very long, he could give them apples or prizes, and that would pass time, or could kill time, which is like, yeah. And maybe he also thought that he could do a feet five, like a high five but with the feet. Yeah, feet five. Whoa, whoa. Ah, hold on. Thank you. A feet five. But he's been worrying, what if he does it when the bees is around and he accidentally hit the bee stinger? Ow! He thought that he could get hurt. But he also thought that if he done it to people at the Ferris wheel, maybe he could get stung too, because he likes doing it at the Ferris wheel. But he always believed in aliens, and he thought, wait, what if aliens don't get stung? What if they're immature? Just kidding. What if they can deny stings? So he thought, maybe I can make myself an alien. So the story's not done yet. Ah, what again? Hold on. The story's not over yet. We're just gonna keep doing it until I make an ending. Okay. Ready? Good. He was also afraid that even if he was an alien, what if he does a high five, but he gets struck by lightning? Maybe he could invite people inside his house, because his house is just a little tent, and give them a high five. But what if lightning strikes his house? Oh no. Or, instead of lightning, what if an arrow hits his hand and goes through it? What if he gets hurt by an arrow? He thought that, well, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to have that happen to me. So he made a big metal house with a keyhole. And that would protect him. He would also add magnets for the lightning and the arrow. He'll put the magnet, and it was attracted to arrows and lightning. So he'd put the magnet all the way over here, away from his house. And the lightning and the magnets, the lightning and arrows will attract to the magnet and not his house. So he thought he was a special genius. I'm just going to say that this was a genius. And he thought that he could see when the arrows and lightning struck, so he could see if he didn't have the magnet, how many times he would have got struck and hit. He also read a book that might help, but of course the book was fantasy. Well, looks like one day he's gonna have to learn about the world. Yeah. The end. That was horrible. That was a horrible story. But, yeah. Good job, Laserbird. So that was the story cubes. One I'm going to play with my family. And, yeah. Laserbird, you did a good job, buddy. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm just going to put it back in the box. And, yeah. See ya.